people of YouTube? Long time no see, homie G. I was like ramen then. Rama. Anyways, guys, what's up? I have been on Modern Warfare 2. You follow them for free. But yeah, for free. I'll show you. Box. It's good. It's good. Yes, it's good. And today, this game has been out for like quite a while now, but I decided to get it, and I think it's brilliant. Table free. Yes, you might troll, whatever. Thank you. Anyways, on my laptop, Xbox, same time. Yeah, that's like because I'm awesome, and like I do things all at the same time, all at once. So yeah. Anyways. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff I wanted to say. I haven't really made a video in quite a while, so yeah. Last video was Minecraft. Yeah, it was actually Minecraft. I loved it. And I need to do some more of them. Sorry for stopping it, just because I got new games and new shit, and I got Brotherhood. Well, it's not actually mine, it's my friend, it's Kev. I think you might know Kev, he's been in the previous videos. And my friend, he's got Assassin's Creed Revelations. I'm borrowing that on the weekend, so yeah. So yeah. And that'll be good. I do like Assassin's Creed, I'm a fan of it, but not as big a fan as Call of Duty and Fable. Games like that. Immense. I need to check if I'm recording. Yeah, I'm recording. I just said like this blank and I was like, what? I'm not recording. Anyways. So yeah, that's all I kind of want to say. We'll try and do some more videos. I am sorry for not making videos. So yeah, that's all the stuff what I wanted to say. And bye.